Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to show you guys how I did a custom vivid color tutorial on this unit that I made. So stay tuned. Psalms 91, 10 through 11 says, "There shall no evil befall thee, neither shall any plague come nigh thy dwelling. For he shall give his angel charge over thee to keep thee in all thy ways." So here I'm just taking the Adore brand black blue color and I'm applying it to the base of this hair unit. This color is really liquidy, so you see it's a little messy. But as I'm applying it, I'm just trying to get it at least, I want to say maybe 1.5 inches, 2 inches from the base to close to the mid strand of the hair, just sort of blend in with whatever color I decide to put on next, so it'll be a smooth transition. And here I just start with that lime green. Now I'm applying an electric blue, and just kind of alternating the colors between the two colors. Oh, and to mention, I did saturate the hair with a spray bottle, just to make sure that as I apply the color that is thoroughly saturated throughout the hair. And you can't see, but each time I apply color, I have a towel that is full of color that I'm wiping my hands on just so it won't overlap the previous color that I put on. And here you see me repeat the same process as I did before. And the only difference is I eventually started using an electric green vivid color that's a little bit more bolder than the lime color. So once I finished each row, I went in with a piece of foil to separate the color. And this allows the color to not overlap with the previous color, but it maintains the color that you put on in between the hair. So once everything is done, I go back and double check to make sure there's no blonde spots left. We rinse it, condition it, and then let it air dry. And here's what it looks like afterwards. And you guys stay tuned for the next video because it showcased the actual install. And never forget, Jesus loves you. You guys be blessed.